Thank you for joining us for this segment of Live Healthy. I'm your host, Lauren Collar. Let me ask you a question. Do you remember the last time you had your annual checkup? It's important to go every year, but not everybody does. Joining us today is resident physician in family medicine, Dr. Corey Medore. He's going to tell us all about that. Thank you for being here today.
Yeah, thanks for having me.
Why is it important to have a family physician?
I think it's a really important part of living a healthy lifestyle to have someone that you trust and who has a expertise in medicine that you can go to with any of your complaints. If you're feeling healthy, that's great, but oftentimes life is unpredictable, and when something does come up, you want to be able to turn to someone who you trust and who's educated on topics that you're unsure of.
So speaking of feeling healthy, that doesn't mean skip your annual checkup.
Correct. There's so much value in the annual checkup, talking about screening and talking about preventative medicine. And as a family medicine resident, that's one of our major contributions to patient care, which is preventative medicine, getting vaccines, getting screening for cancers.
What about some simple tips for people to follow to improve their health?
I counsel mainly every time in my annual visits on three things. That's mental health, physical health, and lifestyle changes. So things such as bad habits, kicking the smoking, decreasing your alcohol intake is something that I usually do with all my patients. Physical health, getting exercise at least 3 to 4 times a week, and that's different for all different types of people. You know, if you're older and walking, get your heart rate up, great, that's all you need. Or if you're younger and you haven't been to the gym in a while, getting back into that is great. And then mental health is very important. I think oftentimes we forget about mental health being so important to your overall well-being, but we're not treating diseases and we're not treating symptoms, we're treating people, and we're trying to enable them to live a more fulfilling life.
Thank you so much for being here today.
Thanks for having me.
Thank you for being here for this segment of Live Healthy.
Live Healthy is sponsored by Trident and Somerville Medical Centers and provided as a service to you and your family.